Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Good day, everybody. Welcome back. Glad you decided to stop by. Don't forget to like and comment and then subscribe. Today, our special guests are Burdock plant. This plant is an awesome addition to your garden. Consider growing this plant. It's very easy, low maintenance. As you can see, I've grown it in like a little container, anything from a pot. I've even grown them in trash cans because the root system gets very deep. So I've even taken a trash can, which I can't move right now, but I've taken a trash can, filled it up with soil and compost, and then just plucked it in there and just allow it to keep growing and growing and growing. A lot of people talk about burdock. Burdock is a plant that's, it grows rather fast, rather quickly, but the main ingredient for a lot of people is the root, to harvest the root. I like to keep mine in a certain soil so I don't have to worry about any type of toxins or anything like that, because it absorbs all the nutrients. And this plant is an antioxidant. It purifies your blood. That's powerful. I mainly eat the leaves. I do harvest the root, and the root, the system, is pretty robust. I'm going to show you one small root system just to kind of give you an example. But they're long, tubular, and they get very big and very robust. And I could take this and I could put this anywhere in the garden, and it will grow, long as the soil is aerated. So imagine this. This plant has also been known to help treat different types of cancer. It's also been known to help treat skin breakout, skin infractions. So this plant is amazing. I recommend that you incorporate this plant in your garden and be creative when you grow it. Give it enough room for it to grow, a root system that's strong and robust. You can contain it. You can keep it in a trash bin. You can contain it in a regular flower pot. But when you harvest it, what you want to do, you just want to take all the green off. And then you want to, of course, wash it. And then you want to just let it dry out. And then you'll chop it up. You can chop it up and then make your teas with it. So you can boil it up and boil it with the water. It wouldn't hurt to put a little garlic in there. It wouldn't hurt to put a little ginger in there. Maybe even you can put some that vinegar, that apple cider vinegar in there. That'll be good too. And then throw a little honey in there. And then you can let that sit and let that just marinate and let it sit in some water, in that water. Great drink, great tea, and it will purify your system. It'll reset. So if you need a system reset, you need a fresh cleanse and a fresh start, I recommend taking a look at the burdock. The burdock plant is an amazing plant. So let's keep growing.